Student Khusro Bitya, IJB and Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the topic business ethics and corporate governance social responsibility. Let's start the topic. Corporate Code of Ethics. The Code of Ethics. A document summarizes and the approach that stops and employs and should take in response to issues on which the challenge the social responsibility and the professional integrity of a business entity. The reasons of business ethics and ethical behavior and might attract and staff and the customers to the business to enable and the business and to achieve key objectives might provide and the business with a competitive advantage by changing the ways and it operates such behavior and might be seen as normal or the minimum standards and within the particular professions. The corporate social responsibility obligations and which a business entity and might undertake for the benefit of society in addition to the minimum required by law. The environmental issues, the positive effect areas which are in need of substantial and redevelopment and might benefit from investment by business entities in capital project, new factors and office buildings. The neighboring and the committees and might benefits and from the locations of business entities and within the neighborhood and since this might and encourage further development in terms of additional business activities. Now, so negative effects increase populations and increase levels of congregations may occur. Destructions of natural and habits may occur and due to the redevelopment of land and premise. The conflict and between the stockholders because of ethical behavior can result in increase and cost of running and the business and thus and reducing profitabilities. Business can gain a competitive and advantage, however such behavior might require and that the business accepted and lower levels of returns on investment in the short terms and which might put off some investors. Now, corporate social responsibility is means of the social responsibility of corporate sectors, which also means response of the corporate sectors and towards society. The company and concerns and the commitment towards a society and the sustainability and development. The corporate social responsibility is the ethical behavior or behavior of company and towards society and ideas whereby companies and integrated economic, social and environmental concerns in their business operations. Now, the impact of business ethics. High ethical performance also protect the individual who work in business. Encourage and business performs and their employees to behave and ethically is to prevent harm to society. It has fair, reaching and consequence for business and ethical contributes to profit. Now, thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries and will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you. And the next topic, global reporting insensitivity. Thank you.